Hi, guys. Welcome to Mindset Mondays with Pam. Today, we're talking about a fixed mindset versus a growth mindset. And I just think it's important to recognize which one do you have? Which one do you have? Do we always have a growth mindset? No, we're human beings. There's times that we're all going to be fixed on things, and maybe we feel like we can't do something or we can't move forward, and those kinds of things, just because we are human. But I will tell you with my hand held high that I would say that 98% of the time, if not more, I have a growth mindset. I always have from the time I was little. So it's a choice too, I think, that we make every day when we get up, that we're going to be positive, we're going to move forward, even when it's hard. We make a decision with our brain, in our minds, and in our hearts to move the ball forward, even if it's just little minute things that we do on a daily basis. Forward movement is forward movement. Think about a river versus a lake or even a pond. Let's do a pond versus a river. A pond becomes kind of stagnant and you see green algae. It's dark. You can't see through it. Why is that? It's because it's fixed. It's not moving. But a river, if you've ever been on a river, let me know below. What river were you on? I love rivers. And the faster the river, the clearer the water. So that movement, that constant movement, that growth, you see the beautiful fish, you can see those stones underneath the water, and it's amazing, right? So we're talking fixed mind sets versus growth mindset. And I'm sorry, that seems to be a little tiny. I don't know why it's so small. Okay, so a fixed mindset, let's just run through these real quickly. A fixed mindset just says, I give up. They don't even try, right? They just throw their hands up and scream, hallelujah, I'm gone. A growth mindset sits back and says, you know what, I'm going to try something different. I'm going to make some shifts. I'm going to move. And always remember that success in relationships, in your health, you're trying to get healthy, feel fit, feel better, all those kinds of things, your job, you're trying to get a promotion, you're trying to start a business. Nothing is a straight trajectory. That's not reality. So even if we have a growth mindset, well, I guess with a growth mindset, that is the path. It's wiggly. Sometimes you're up, sometimes it's down, but we just go and ebb and flow with it so that we know that every day we're still moving forward. We're making movement. We're taking action. Another one says of a fixed mindset, I failed. Little Debbie Downer, I failed. A growth mindset looks at it and they say, okay, what can I learn from my mistakes? That path didn't work. Remember, it's squiggly from beginning to the goal. It's squiggly. It's up and down. It's kind of a roller coaster sometimes. You just have to hold on and make those shifts. And when you make shifts, that doesn't mean that you fail, guys. That just means that you're in the game. You're making those moves. You're deciding what you need to do next. Another one on here says, on a fixed mindset, I'll never be smart. I was lucky enough to be raised by two parents that thought I was the best thing since sliced bread. Okay. So anything that I did, they encouraged: singing, dancing, telling jokes, writing stories, whatever it was. My schoolwork, my profession, my parents always told me, you can do whatever you want to do if you're willing to take action and put in the work and be ethical, right? So I'm grateful for that. Let me know if you had those kind of parents in your life. Let me know. It's a blessing for sure. If you did not have that kind of support growing up, and maybe you have more of these fixed mindset ideas, let me speak some life over you today and say, you can do whatever you want to do because you have the power within you with the right mindset and the mindset to take action and move forward and to learn and to educate yourself and to arm yourself with the things that you need to be successful in life and relationships, at work and professions and your business, gaining control of your health like I'm trying to do this year. You can do it. I'm telling you. Another example, let's go down to the bottom. I can't do this. Okay, those words have never I don't know that I've ever said I can't do this. I don't know, unless it would be jumping out of an airplane. I might say that. But I'm just saying things in life in general, typically I just say, I don't know how to do this yet, or I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I am going to make that happen. And you can do the same. So what do you have? Do you feel like you're more of a fixed mindset? Or do you feel like you're more of a growth mindset? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you have that growth mindset, you do love what you do, you will be doing what you love. And I can't remember who said it. Maybe it was Steve Jobs. If you're doing what you love, you never work a day in your life. So that is a true story right there. So love what you do. And that includes getting healthy and getting fit. You have to find what fits for you. I had to find what works for Pam. We don't have to cram ourselves into this box of I'm going to just do keto or I'm just going to do paleo, and I'm not knocking any of those. I'm just telling you from experience of someone who has tried everything under the sun. I've had to find what works for me, and you can pull things from paleo and keto and juicing and Whole30, and you can live a healthy lifestyle. You just have to find what works for you. Okay, so guys, thank you always for watching. Remember that you are awesome. If you get value from my videos, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell so you're notified when I do videos and upload videos. Totally would appreciate it. Share with a friend who may need an uplifting, poke in the arm there today, a little nudge. I'd appreciate that. You guys take care, and I will see you soon.